is a little orange girl looking for lunch, crawling up in my lap. Look at this. She is just crawling up here. Huh. He's a little go-getter girl, huh? Yeah. And light blue boy making his way around. He's going to climb up here too. Nope, not Mom. Their eyes are open, but they don't really know how to use them yet. Do you know what I mean? Benoit, our little white boy. Whoops. And yes, Sarah, he does stick out like a sore thumb, huh? In a sea of black. There he is. Oh, Mom's over peeking in on him, and now they're all excited. And here's our sleepy, mellow little boy, little gold ribbon. I should say big. Pretty easygoing guy. He was the last born and the biggest. And pretty much the most laid back. And pretty sweet. Yeah. Oh! I think Spirit wants to get in here and feed him. Should probably get out. So, just thought you guys might like to see how they're all looking. They're growing. They're getting big. They're getting active.